How to add stroke, outline, to any object, shape, or text in Photoshop. If you want your text or objects to stand out more, adding a stroke, also known as an outline, is one of the cleanest and most professional ways to enhance your design. Photoshop makes this process super easy, and you can customize every part of the outline exactly the way you want. First, open Adobe Photoshop and select the layer where you want to apply the stroke. This can be a text layer, a shape, or any object in your project. Right-click on that layer and choose Blending Options. A new window will open. Now click on Stroke from the list on the left. Once you select it, you can adjust the size of the stroke, decide whether it appears on the outside, inside, or center, and choose the color you want for the outline. You can also adjust the opacity to make the stroke bold or more subtle. When everything looks perfect, click OK, and the stroke will be applied instantly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Photoshop lessons. Thanks for watching.